Did you know that bananas can actually float? It's true. The peel of a banana is air-filled and provides buoyancy, allowing it to stay afloat in water. Now, here's a mind-blowing fact. Bananas are actually berries. Yes, you heard it right. Despite their size, bananas belong to the berry family. And guess what? The scientific name for bananas is Musa sapientum, which translates to fruit of the wise man. So next time you enjoy a banana, remember you're indulging in a tasty little berry. You might think that banana trees are indeed trees, but here's the scoop. They are actually giant herbs, unlike typical wood-bearing trees. Banana plants lack a woody trunk, and instead have a succulent stem. This makes them technically herbs. So, the next time you walk past a banana plantation, remember you're strolling through an extraordinary herb garden. Need a mood booster? Look no further than a banana. These delightful fruits contain high levels of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter associated with happiness. So, when you're feeling down, grab a banana to naturally lift your spirits. It's like a smile in fruit form. We all know bananas are a great source of potassium. But did you know they can power a light bulb too? That's right. The potassium in bananas can conduct electricity. So, while you can't light up your entire house with bananas, it's fascinating to think about their electric potential. Maybe we'll see banana-powered gadgets in the future.